very charming morning and welcome to One and All present here. With pride in my words and spark in my voice, I, Sarah, feel honored to open today's journey.
A journey through a time, a name, a truth that forever changed the course of history. Welcome to our presentation on Nazism and the rise of Hitler.
This isn't just a tale from the past. It's a reminder, a mirror, and a warning.
Through our words and visuals, we bring to you not just a history lesson, but a reflection of what unchecked power can become when driven by hate.
Let's pause, breathe, and center ourselves as we embrace a new day. Let us begin with a prayer that stirs the soul, where the mind is without fear, by Rabindranath Tagore.
Now I request everyone to stand up and join their hands and repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear, and head is held higher, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments, by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where the mind is led forward by thee, into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Sometimes just one good thought can turn an ordinary day into something. Let's hear the thought of the day and make our mind powerful.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is: fear may build power, but never respect. Real strength comes from kindness, led by courage, not control. I repeat my thought: fear may build power, but never respect. Real strength comes from kindness, led by courage, not control. Thank you.
So let's take you to a time, through a drama, when silence screamed and fear ruled every breath, presenting an English drama based on Nazism and Hitler's rule.
The Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919, ended World War I but placed harsh terms on Germany. It forced Germany to accept full blame of the war, give up their large areas of territory, reduce its military, and pay enormous reparations to the Allied powers. This condition crippled the German economy and deeply hurt the national pride.
Adolf Hitler used this resentment as fuel for his rise, repeatedly calling the treaty a betrayal and a humiliation. He promised to undo it, which made him popular among angry and desperate Germans, felt punished and powerless.
Post-World War I Germany. It's 1990. Germany has just lost World War I. The economy is collapsing. People are suffering. Amid the crisis, a young man named Adolf Hitler began to speak at public gatherings.
The Treaty of Versailles has humiliated us. Our pride, our future, our jobs, all destroyed. But I will bring the Germany back. I will make us strong again.
Finally, someone who speaks for the people. He says, but we feel.
He speaks well, but he also spreads hate. He blames Jews for our problems. That cannot be right.
Hitler joined the Nazi party and soon became its leader. By 1933, he was appointed as the Chancellor of Germany.
Scene 2. Rise to power.
One people, one empire, one leader. Under my rule, Germany will be glorious again. No more weakness.
Look at the changes. New roads, new jobs. Our country feels alive again.
But at what cost? Free speech is gone. Books are being burned. People are disappearing.
Hitler passed laws banning all opposition. The school, the press, and even churches were forced to obey.
Scene 3. Persecution begins.
Our shop has been vandalized. My children are being bullied at school. We are no longer treated as Germans.
By the order of the state, you must leave your home. Jews are not allowed to live in the district anymore.
But this is our home. My family has lived here for generations.
Pack only what you need. You have 1 hour.
I am so sorry. I don't agree with any of this. But people are too afraid to speak up.
I wanted change, but not this. This is not what I believed in.
Hitler created laws to exclude Jews from public life. In 1939, World War II began when Germany invaded Poland.
Scene 4. The Holocaust and the War. The Nazis built concentration camps where millions of Jews, Roma, others were sent to die. This was the Holocaust.
They took my wife. They say we are going to camp, but we know what that means.
This must stop. Someone must stop him.
The war betrayed us, but Germany will never surrender. Fight to the last man.
But Germany was losing. Allied forces closed in. By April 1945, the end was near.
Scene 5. Hitler's downfall.
Everything is falling apart. My generals, my people, my dream. All gone.
Sir, the Allies are in Berlin. There is no escape.
Then it is over. I will not be taken.
On April 30, 1945, Hitler died by suicide in his bunker.
History remembers Hitler not for his promises but for his destruction. His rise teaches us how fear and hate can blind a nation.
I followed him once, but I regret not asking questions. I regret my silence.
Democracy, freedom, truth. We must protect these always.
We survived, but we carry the memory of those who didn't.
Let us never forget. Let us always speak up.
Learn from history, stand for peace, never again.
Now let's begin a powerful group discussion on Nazism, a dark chapter in history that still raises questions about fear and humanity.
Good morning, everyone. Today's group discussion is on Nazism and Adolf Hitler, one of the most difficult yet important parts of 20th century history. Today, we'll explore what Nazism was, how it rose to power, the destruction it caused, and why studying it even matters today.
Let's begin with the backdrop. After Germany lost World War I in 1918, the Treaty of Versailles left the country humiliated. Germany had to pay heavy reparations, lost territory, and its economy collapsed. There was hyperinflation, unemployment, and widespread anger.
Amid this chaos, many Germans lost faith in democracy. They were looking for a strong leader. Adolf Hitler, a decorated soldier from World War I, began gaining attention through his speeches blaming Jews, communists, and the Treaty of Versailles for Germany's problems.
In 1920, Hitler joined National Socialist German Workers' Party. It was a small French group, but Hitler's charisma and propaganda made it grow. He promised jobs, unity, and national pride, things people desperately wanted.
In 1923, Hitler tried to seize power in the Beer Hall Putsch but failed and was imprisoned. During his time in jail, he wrote Mein Kampf outlining his ideology, extreme nationalism, anti-Semitism, and the belief in RN superiority.
Hitler's book became the blueprint for the Nazi movement. He believed that Germany needed living space, Lebensraum, and that it should expand eastward. He also believed that Jews were inferior and should be removed from German life.
In 1993, Hitler was appointed as Chancellor of the Germany. Once in the power, he quickly moved the opposition. The Reichstag fire helped him convince the public to accept the Enabling Act, which gave him full control of the government.
From 1933 onwards, Germany became a dictatorship. The Nazis controlled the press, the education system, and passed laws to persecute minorities. Dissent were silenced, books were burned, political opponents were arrested or killed.
Jews were specially targeted. The numerous laws of 1925 stripped the Jews of their citizenship. They were banned from many professions, schools, and public spaces. Their business were boycotted and attacked. Anti-Semitic propaganda filled the media.
In 1938, something terrible happened called the Crunch or the Night of Broken Glass. This event showed that the Nazis were becoming even more violent, and it was a step ahead Holocaust, where millions of Jews were later killed.
Life under the Nazis was tightly controlled. Even the children were enrolled to Hitler Youth and taught Nazis ideology. Loyalty to Hitler became more important than loyalty to family or truth. People were afraid to speak even in their own family.
In 1938, Kristallnacht, the night of broken glass, marked a turning point. Synagogues were burned, Jewish shops were destroyed, 1,000 of Jews were arrested. This shows that how dangerous the Nazi regime had become.
In 1939, Germany invaded Poland, starting World War II. The Nazis launched a campaign of war and genocide. The Holocaust began. Millions of Jews and other targeted groups were sent to ghettos, then concentration camps.
Auschwitz, Treblinka, Dachau, these became names of horror. Men, women and children were killed in gas chamber. Others died from starvation, torture and forced labor. Over 6 million Jews were murdered.
But not all Germans supported Islam like the White. But not all Germans supported Islam, like the White Rose movement, and individuals such as Bonhoeffer resisted the Nazis though at great personal cost. Many were executed for speaking out, others helped hide Jews or shared information with allies.
As the war turned against Germany, Hitler became more paranoid and unstable. Cities were bombed, millions died. In April 1945, with Allied forces closing in, Hitler was found dead in his bunker in Berlin. Days later, Germany surrendered.
After the war, the world responded with the Nuremberg trials. Nazi leaders were held accountable for crimes against humanity. The Holocaust became the defining symbol of how dangerous hatred, racism and dictatorship can be.
So what do we learn? Nazism shows us the cost of silence, power of propaganda and the danger of giving one man unchecked power. We must always stand for democracy, peace and equality. We must never forget. Thank you. Don't need explanations. They just need to be felt. And what's coming next will do exactly that. Presenting a self-composed Hindi song by Sudiksha.
रंगीन था तब सारा जहां, जब था सब यहाँ नया नया, मैं अकेला चल रहा उसे ढूंढ रहा, क्या मिलेगी वो मुझे कभी। मैं अकेला चल रहा उसे ढूंढ रहा, क्या मिलेगी वो मुझे खुशी। खो जाने दे उन रातों में, वक्त बहने दे इन हाथों से, तू माने ना कर जो कहे, वक्त नदियों की तरह बहे। अंधेरे थे उस पल वहाँ, अब करना है रोशन जहाँ, बस चलता रह उस राह पे, कल है वहाँ उजाले में। रंगीन था तब सारा जहाँ, जब था सब यहाँ नया नया। मैं अकेला चल रहा उसे ढूंढ रहा, क्या मिलेगी वो मुझे कभी। मैं अकेला चल रहा उसे ढूंढ रहा, क्या मिलेगी वो मुझे खुशी। ला 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 ला।
Now let's take a moment to embrace the beauty of language and emotion. Presenting before you all a Hindi poem.
आज तो बिखरा है एक रोज तो निखरेगा ही, आज तो बिखरा है एक रोज तो निखरेगा ही, ढला है जो आज सूरज कल सुबह फिर निकलेगा ही। माना तेरी मंजिल है, हाँ माना तेरी मंजिल है इन लोगों की जंजीरों में, पर तू तपेगा जब मेरी तपन में, वो लोहा तो पिघलेगा ही। मंजिलों के रास्ते पर कांटे तो सभी के हैं, मंजिलों के रास्ते पर कांटे तो सभी के हैं, पर तेरे अंदर जुनून है तू उन कांटों पर चलेगा ही।
माना आज तो बिखरा है एक रोज तो निखरेगा ही, माना आज तो बिखरा है एक रोज तो निखरेगा ही, ढला है जो आज सूरज कल सुबह फिर निकलेगा ही। हवाएं विपरीत ही क्यों ना चले, हवाएं विपरीत ही क्यों ना चले, तू कदम कदम बढ़ेगा ही। तुझे कल के लिए है तैयार होना, तो आज तो तू गिरेगा ही, तो आज तो तू गिरेगा ही। तेरी कोशिश देख हवाओं का रुख, तेरी कोशिश देख हवाओं का रुख एक रोज तो बदलेगा ही।
माना आज तो बिखरा है एक रोज तो निकलेगा ही, ढला है जो आज सूरज कल सुबह फिर निकलेगा ही। धन्यवाद।
Was truly mesmerizing. Up next is an English song filled with power, rhythm, and pure expressions.
Used to be a fool, all about the bombs in myself. What you gonna use, what you gonna do? I could refresh and forget. Used to keep it cool. Should I keep it light, stay out the fight? No one's gonna listen to me. If I let it song, preaching what is wrong, will let it sing on TV. Should I keep it light? If ever. Way up we go. Been up and down the road. Way up, oh no. We gon' burn the whole house down. Watch me stand in the line. You're only serving life. You got something to hide. We gon' burn the whole house down. We gon' burn the whole house down. Used to let it go, walking in the show, walking in the tricks up to sleep. Too good to be true, full I'm in a room, full of entertainers and thieves. Used to let it go. Whoa, no. Way up we go, been up and down the road. Way up, oh no, we gon' burn the whole house down. Watch me stand in the line, you're only serving lies. You got something to hide, we gon' burn the whole house down. Should I hammer hello? Should I bite my tongue? Or should I march with every stranger from Twitter to Kashida? Used to hammer hello, or I hate it loud. Every stranger from Twitter is gonna burn this down. Way up we go, been up and down the road. Way up, oh no, we gon' burn the whole house. Watch me stand in the line, you're only serving lies. You got something to hide, we gon' burn the whole house down. We gon' burn the whole house down.
Words can paint pictures and poetry brings them to life. Up next is an English recitation that speaks not just to the mind but to the moment.
In Germany's heart where hopes once lay, a storm was brewing in shadows grey. The Great War ended, peace was thin, hunger and hatred festered within.
From broken streets and shattered pride, a voice arose both loud and wide. He spoke of glory, race and might. He promised the stars but brought the night.
Adolf Hitler, with eyes like flame, wrapped in power, rose to fame. With twisted words and flags held high, he painted dreams upon the sky.
But dreams were built on fear and lies, on burning books and tear-filled cries. He blamed the Jews, the weak, the other, and turned a man blindly against his brother.
The swastik flew bold and red while millions wept and millions bled. Democracy died without a fight as silence grew in the darkest night.
The camps were built and the truth was chained. The world watched on, some shocked, some drained. But still the stars began to fall as freedom cried behind barbed walls.
Oh, rise, dear youth, and never forget what hate can do, what silence lets. The past one walked in boots of fear. Let's keep it distant, never new.
For history lives in what we choose, the truth we speak or silence we use. Let not the dark repeat its song. Stand for the right, resist the wrong. Thank you.
Up next, we bring you a mesmerizing blend of rhythm and tradition with every graceful step and expressive gesture. This classical dance tells a story without uttering a word. So sit back, relax, and let the elegance unfold.
ready to shift the gears because now it's time to set the stage on fire. So here comes a group dance performance with a western twist by the students of class 9th W.
पुरानी यादों पर बेहद मुस्कुराते हैं। चलो आज आपको स्कूल का सफर करवाते हैं। वो दिन याद है जब हम पहली बार स्कूल जाते हैं? बस्ते में सिर्फ एक कॉपी मगर आंखों में उसका सैलाब निकल जाते हैं। घर की कितनी याद आती है पर वक्त के साथ आदत बन जाती है। दोस्ती का मतलब पता नहीं होता पर दोस्त बन जाते हैं।
जल गया सूरज को मैं निकल गया रूबरू रोशनी रूबरू रोशनी जो गुमशुदा हो
Good morning, dear students. Please take your seats. I have a very special announcement for you all. We have a new student joining our class. Please make her feel at home and comfortable at Nosegate. Come, dear. Let me show you the library of our school.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है जिंदगी, कितने हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है जिंदगी, कितने हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे कोई हमें सवार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही, जो भी कब बस का आरज़ू, वो ही पा गए हैं नया तू, आने हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ, शहर दिल में घूमे के साथ साथ, सारे सारे दिन सारे सारे रात, बरस रही है एक खुशी है कहीं। सूरज की बाहों में अपनी जिंदगी, कितने हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अपनी जिंदगी, कितने हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी।
Our school has a huge sports complex. Come, we'll take you there and then we can go to the food court.
love everyone. Nose Day is now my second home.
That was very energetic. I hope you enjoyed that. Now moving towards the most special act of our performance, I would like to call Sudeeksha and Samaira to perform on Rag Yaman.
Piya ki